If you use ChatGPT a lot, one of the easiest ways to improve your workflow is by installing a Chrome extension that makes ChatGPT more powerful and more convenient to use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install a ChatGPT Chrome extension, how to find the right one, and how to open it once it's installed so you can start getting better outputs faster. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This process is designed for the Chrome browser, so make sure you're using Chrome before you continue. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. Now that the menu is open, move your mouse over Extensions. This will open the Extension section where you can manage browser add-ons and access the Chrome Web Store. From there, click Visit Chrome Web Store. Chrome will take you directly to the official extension marketplace, where you can search for tools that work with ChatGPT. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, use the search bar and type ChatGPT extensions, or, more specifically, search for ChatGPT for Google Search GPT. This is the extension name you want to look for based on this tutorial. When the results appear, click on ChatGPT for Google Search GPT to open the extension page. Before installing anything, always take a quick look at the extension details. Check the rating, the number of users, and make sure it looks trustworthy. This is an important step because you only want to install extensions that are safe and widely used. Choosing a trusted extension helps protect your browser and gives you a better experience. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. After that, Chrome will automatically download and install it for you. In just a few seconds, the extension should be ready to use. Once the installation is complete, look at the top right of your browser for the puzzle piece icon. This is where Chrome keeps your installed extensions. Click the puzzle piece icon to open the extensions list. From there, find ChatGPT for Google Search GPT and click it to open the extension. Depending on the extension, you may see a setup screen, a sign-in option, or a quick welcome panel. Follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. After that, the extension should be ready to help improve your ChatGPT workflow and search experience. From here, you can start using the extension alongside your normal browsing and ChatGPT use. The goal is to make your results more useful, faster to access, and easier to work with. A good Chrome extension can help you save time, improve research, and get more out of your prompts with less effort. If you want to install more ChatGPT related extensions later, just repeat the same process. Open the Chrome menu, go to Extensions, visit the Chrome Web Store, search for the extension, and add it to Chrome. That's the easiest way to build a better setup over time. And that's it. You now know how to install a ChatGPT Chrome extension and open it from the puzzle piece icon whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials that make tech easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.